Good morning, traders. So how are we going to trade the DAX this morning? So we had yet another day of indecision, and we didn't really get above, or we didn't close above the pin bar. So that pin bar is still in play, and you can see from an alligator perspective, that was wise man number one. We ended up with a green bar. Now we're looking for two more green bars, and then that would be my second entry long. So the first entry long would have been triggered on the break of this the 12,020 level. Now let's just get down to there. So this was the high of Monday. Was it Monday? No, that's Tuesday. So this was the high of Tuesday, and this was our pin bar. So what we're looking for is a break above here, which we have got, and then price came back in and sort of floated backwards and forth with us. So, and you can also see we have a little bit of a head and shoulders forming here. So here's your shoulder, here's your head, and here's your other shoulder. So this is still in play. We're still looking for a break above 12,019, and that is going to give us, let me put this measured move in. That's going to give us a target up in this area, and let me just make sure where it lines up. So I would just line it up with this inside tail here. Okay, that would be my profit taking area. So let's get back to here. So we're still looking for longs, but yeah, yesterday was pretty much of a nothing day. This inside bar here does concern me. So we did get all intents and purposes, we got a higher high above this pin bar. So I'm still of the opinion that we're going to move to the upside. So what should be happening is we should have been triggered long here with a stop below here, but that is a 188 point stop loss. So that's quite big for the DAX. You can see on the 30 minutes, the trend is up at the moment. And if I go to the hour, we're also above the zero line at the moment. So technically the trend has reversed and it is heading to the upside. But there are two levels that we need to watch. So this is the first one. This 12020 is the first one. And then the next one is obviously the high of yesterday. And you can see we ended up with a double top of sort. Okay, a lot of indecision here. And this is based on what happened in the US markets yesterday as well. So those are the two levels I'm looking to watch. If we do get above 12,041, then there's a good possibility that we can tag 12,160. Okay, that's kind of my take on this. And obviously, I'm in two minds whether you want to leave this as a swing trade at the moment, because the geopolitical noise is still very loud. So rather just get in and get out, I think, is probably the safest bet. Okay, so we're still looking for highs, for longs. And you can see we do have a higher low that's formed. What we're looking for is, and we have got a higher high, but I'm looking for a more convincing higher high. And that would then maybe let me leave some in for a couple of days rather than a couple of hours. Okay, now that's my take on the DAX. Still looking for longs, and we need to watch these two levels here, 12,040 and 12,025. Sorry, 12,020. So 12,020 and 12,040 are the two levels we need to watch. We need a convincing break above that for us to go and target 12,166. Okay, guys, that's it for now. And stay safe. Keep those stops tight. You can probably use this bottom level here as a stop level, and it's still a 100-point stop loss. So make sure your position size takes that into account, that your 2% risk, the 2% of capital risk would fit into the 100-point stop loss. Okay, so there is no other area where you can actually put a stop. Now I suppose you could use this level here, but I would be concerned because we may pull back to 11977. So if we do pull back to 11977 and start forming a base, But to form another pin bar like this would be ideal. Then that would be an indication that you can get in long and put your stop below the tail of the pin bar. So if you eliminate all this noise here, when you saw this pin bar, so go in long straight away with a stop here, and you'd still be long. Okay, that's my take on this at the moment. And obviously watching the high of yesterday. And note that there is a 200 moving average here as well. So you may just pull up and then pull down, and somewhere down here get an opportunity to get in. And it may only happen late in the afternoon. Today is a data day, so there's a lot of data coming out today on all markets. So there should be some volatility that it spikes up one way or another. Anyway, guys, keep those stops tight, stay safe, and enjoy your day. I'll catch you guys later. Cheers.